Good morning. This is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, and I'm here with your Thursday, May 2nd fire weather briefing. So the first image I'd like to show you is a water vapor image, and in this image the purple and blue colors represent areas of the atmosphere that contain a lot of moisture, whereas the reds and oranges indicate areas that are very dry in the atmosphere. And there's a couple features I'd like to point out in this image. First of all, this kind of broad area of high pressure that is sitting off the Pacific coast, and that's going to be coming into effect in the sensible weather for western Montana and north central Idaho as we move later on into the week. The other feature I'd like to point out here circled in green is a weather disturbance that's kind of sitting in southern central British Columbia, and that weather system is going to actually be dropping out of Canada into western Montana, north central Idaho tomorrow. For today, we're actually going to be between weather systems, and despite the fact that we're off to such a cool start, we are expected to warm up quite nicely today with pretty abundant sunshine across the region. In fact, many locations are going to be as much as 10 to 15 degrees warmer than they were yesterday. And with the warmer temperatures, that's going to translate into drier humidities, with humidities in many valley locations approaching the low 20%, even into the upper teens for relative humidities this afternoon. Generally, we're expecting sunny skies. However, there will be some cloud cover moving into northwest Montana and north central Idaho, especially this afternoon and early evening. Winds today are generally going to be terrain driven. However, there could be some somewhat gusty winds that develop across northwest Montana this afternoon. Our next weather disturbance will move south from Canada tonight into Friday. As the system dives into western Montana, widespread cloud cover is expected to develop across all of western Montana and north central Idaho. The graphic that I have displayed here is showing the upper level weather pattern in yellow lines, and the image itself is representing precipitation. And as you can see, western Montana is going to be the main area of focus for precipitation on Friday, and really that's going to be especially along the Continental Divide. North central Idaho may see a few showers, although the probability does drop off pretty dramatically as you move away from the Idaho-Montana border. With the cloud cover expected and precipitation, this will cause temperatures to be a few degrees cooler for Friday and Saturday than what we're expected to see today. And with that, that'll help keep our relative humidities up a little bit higher for Friday and Saturday as well. Most of the area does look like it should start to dry out by Saturday. However, it does look like precipitation will linger across southwest Montana into Saturday. So as that weather system moves out of Canada on Friday afternoon into Saturday, we are expecting a shift in the wind direction, with winds becoming more northeast to easterly as opposed to westerly winds. So the main thing I want you to focus on in this image is those blue lines, which are actually wind barbs that show wind speed and direction. And you'll notice the strongest winds are focused generally across northwest Montana into north central Idaho. They're not expected to be overly strong, but I do think we could see some 10 to 15 mile per hour winds, possibly with some gusts up into the 20 mile per hour range. And these northeast to east winds are expected to really start increasing Friday afternoon and potentially last into the day on Saturday. So finally, that ridge of high pressure that I showed you at the very beginning of this briefing does look like it's going to strengthen and start to influence western Montana and north central Idaho as we move into the Sunday and Monday time frame. And with this, much drier conditions are expected, with temperatures warming well above normal for this time of year. And in fact, we could see temperatures approach 80 degrees in many valley locations. As we get into the latter part of the week, you'll see that area of low pressure along the California coast. There is some potential for some moisture to wrap up and around that area of low pressure and potentially bring some showers and possibly even thunderstorms into the region. If this was to happen, the most likely area would be across north central Idaho and southwest Montana. However, there is a fair amount of uncertainty, especially in terms of the timing and placement of this moisture at this time. So that's something we'll be watching here over the next several days, but just kind of wanted to throw that potential out there. Again, this would be for the midweek time frame. So that concludes our Thursday, May 2nd fire weather briefing. The next briefing is scheduled for Monday, May 6th. And as always, we encourage you, if you have any questions that come up between now and our next fire weather briefing, please feel free to give us a call at any time. We're always happy to answer your questions.